Good morning, welcome to Devon. This is my auntie and uncle's farm. We've been here for the past couple of days doing a worship event here that is called the Filling Station. That was last night, so today's our last morning and Uncle David's offered to take us on a tour of the farm, so that's what we're going to do today. But now I've just got to find where they've gone. Okay, they're over here. So yeah, we're in the Land Rover at the moment and it's just started trucking it down, so hopefully won't get too wet today. Any more cars last night?
Yeah, just like the truck here. Let's see the next one. Yeah, day old. Interesting road this. This road, you're like a skating rink. So that's what's happening to your dad because he had road tyres on top.
Yeah.
Start planing and then you're right over the edge. Right. You see those trees going upwards?
Yeah.
Well, you go up and up and up and then around the corner and then come down here to here. Over there it goes over to the road, which is 2 fields across.
Whoa!
Right, sorry about that, but your dad got stuck.
That was impressive. Nice outfit, TJ. All suited and booted for farm work. Repping the brand.
You sort of see like that. Okay. Hang on, what we call maiden heifers. So a female until she's had her first child, is a maiden heifer. And there's even another name for them. We call them yearlings. Heifer that's just given birth to her first. 9 days old.
Step back. She's wary.
They'll be zinc, copper, selenium. 7 or 8.
You said he's an award winner, isn't he? Prize.
Some people don't like. We really are. We're quite fond of each other, aren't we?
He likes people.
He likes me, yeah. My favourite here, Ethel. Aren't you?
Is it Ethel?
That's Ethel. She's pregnant and
Ethel's pregnant.
We're looking forward to seeing your baby, aren't we, Ethel, hey?
So, Ethel was the hand-reared calf, wasn't she?
Exactly. She's
I remember
she's
her.
a lovely animal, son. You really are, aren't you, girl, hey?
We're getting on the quad bike now. I've done this before. And it's quite sketchy.
That's good enough.
Yeah.
You're up for time? Yeah?
Yeah. Yes, that's it. Thank you very much, Uncle Dave. What was your favourite bit? What would you say?
Quad bike.
Quad bike, yeah, probably the quad bike.
Oh, actually, the off-roading was quite fun.
Oh, the off-roading. Off-roading was so scary, but very fun. You right there? Right, we are all showered after that tour. Got a bit muddy because we were with the cows at some point. Now heading to Auntie Sylvia's house that's next door. And I think we're about to head home because Dad wanted to leave by 11:30. It's 11:10 now.
Gmail. He was in Gmail, yes.
It's just sitting there. TJ will be a happy man.
Time to leave. Quick stop to get some lunch.
Really slow though.
2 hours later.
Possibly the slowest automatic door I've ever seen in my life.
And that as well.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Oh, not much post at all. Usually, I'm like the person that sorts through all the post when we get home from holiday, but as you can see, it's not really that much. And now to unpack. That is it. We've come back. We're back in London now. I've had such a good week. I've had such a good time with Josh, Nate, TJ, all the other people from church, Auntie Sylvia, Uncle David, and yeah, I love Devon. It's probably my favourite place in the world. Josh and I also took some footage for another video which kind of explains what we were up to in Devon, so watch out for that, maybe on this channel or on my Facebook. And yeah, thanks for watching this one. I've really enjoyed making it. Also, thanks to Theo, my cousin, who has also given me this new Rode video mic, which I'm really thankful for. So yeah, see you in the next one.